Hey folks, I thought I would show you a little bit about our new DeLonghi Magnifica ESAM3300 coffee maker. This is going to be the eventual replacement for the one upstairs, and we've been having it downstairs here calibrating. So first thing in the morning, you look at it, it looks like this. All the lights are off. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to wake it up and it's going to run a cleaning cycle. So you put your empty cup, nothing in it, you press the power button, and you will note the two lights that show cup up in the corner. There's a single cup and a 2 cup. It's flashing right now because this is when it's going through heating up the water, and it's going to run a cleaning cycle. It's going to shoot streams of hot water in just a minute. There goes the water. Two little streams coming out of the two nozzles. Then the cleaning cycle shuts off. The two lights switch to solid. I'm going to pour out this water here. Okay, so here's how you make a cup of coffee with this machine. Now, my mug here you see is a standard size antique WordPerfect mug. And what I do is this dial over here sets how much coffee goes into your mug, and this determines strength, how strong your coffee is. So I normally put it here at about the 2/3 level and about the same place on strength. And if you're John Corey, you know with a taller cup, you go all the way on both sides. You turn it to 11 on both settings. But for me, a little bit more of a coffee wimp, I suppose. Anyway, so I'm going to press the 2 cup button, and here goes. And there it is. It's done. Okay, and you can see here how it produced a little crema there on top. Looked really nice. Now here's the other thing you need to be aware of. And that is over here on this side of the top is where the beans go in. Now this unit does not hold a giant bag of beans like the other one did. You pretty much only put a half a bag of beans at a time. Also, let me move a couple things out of the way. Up here on top we have the bypass tray. There is a lovely little scoop in here, as you can see, and this front part here, if you want to put decaf into the machine, you pretty much scoop the decaf into there, and that way it bypasses the grind and you can have a decaf espresso. It has a heating surface here. We don't really use that, but if you were a home user you could warm your cup there in advance. Let me show you over here also. On this side of the unit is where you refill it with water. It's got a little pull out, and you can see there's the water inside. Okay. You may have to add that, and we use cold filtered water from the taps either upstairs or down, which has a softener element in it. Open this here. This is where you access the dreg drawer, which is all kind of one giant piece. The tray is here. Open this little thing inside. You can see the plug of coffee in there, which you can then throw out. That's kind of it, really. That's the limitations of its maintenance that you have to worry about. It also has a frother if you want to bring in milk and go crazy with steamed milk and foamy espresso drinks. But we just wanted to use it for coffee. So that's about it.